Hello everybody, today we're going to be making a clicker game on Scratch. I want to get this done swiftly. I have a second computer with the fully done one open. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have 6 sprites imported, one in the middle, and then the rest along the outer edge. This is the one that's going to be getting clicked on. These are going to be the upgrades. And then what you're going to want to do is depending, we're going to be learning 2 types of upgrades. How to increase your clicks per second, that's just AFK, it'll just keep giving you that. And how to increase your clicks per click, so that whenever you click the middle, it'll give you more. So the first thing we want to do is go into all 6 sprites, and we want to add prices on them. Except for the one you're going to be using as the middle, because those stuff will be shown by variables later on. So I'm just going to put what I have in my game. And you guys can edit these prices to whatever you want, but I'm just putting what I did in my original game. And editing this onto it, it doesn't actually do anything to your game. It just tells your players what they're buying and how good the upgrade is and how much it costs. Okay, so now I think what we're going to want to do first is just go to our thing that's being clicked sprite. And you might want to move this up a bit, because this has all the upgrades on it. We'll space them out, I guess. And then, now I think we may as well just set up all our variables. So, variables, I'm just going to add all of the variables that we're going to need later. So we're going to need clicks, which is your amount of money. Make sure these are all for all sprites. We're going to need CPS, clicks per second, which is your AFK, how much you get just by sitting there. We're going to need clicks per click. So like how many clicks the currency are you going to get for actually clicking it. Now we need num, and since you guys should be having a theme with your sprites, you want to name where I put upgrade 1 here, what the sprite actually is, but since I'm just doing random people, I'm just going to put 1 through 5. So now, is that all of them? Yeah, I think so. So now what we want to do is, when green flag clicked, we're going to do a bunch of stuff with this variable, with these variables. So we're going to set clicks to 0. We're going to set, so what all this is doing, setting most of these variables to 0, because we're resetting our game when the green flag is clicked. Wait, but clicks per click you want to be 1. Because every time you click the middle here, it's going to be giving you the amount of clicks that your CPC is, which we're going to be setting up later. Also, first, quickly, let's just move all the variables to where they need to be. We just put those ones around that. And then just put each one of these near an upgrade so that it's clear which one goes with which. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to name each sprite what upgrade number they are. Because it's kind of weird not having a theme. So now that you got all that set up, where did my code go? Where did my code go? Where did it go? I put it on here. Where did it go? Oh, I'll just make it again. So, on green flag click, we are going to set clicks to 0, set CPS to 0, set CPC to 1, and then set all of your number variables to 0 also. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have it so that forever you're going to wait 1 second and change clicks by clicks per second. So basically what this is going to do is that once you have AFK gaining, every 1 second it's going to give you the amount of money that your CPS is. Now what we want to do is, also, can't forget this. When the sprite clicked, change clicks by, can you guess it? Can you guess it? Clicks per click, because this is going to be changing with some of the upgrades. So now I think we're going to code each sprite individually. Although there is going to be a lot of copy and pasting because it's helpful. So I'm going to start with my cheapest upgrade that I have in the bottom left here. So you're going to want to do, basically you're going to attempt to buy these upgrades by clicking on them. So we're going to do, when this sprite clicked, we're going to do if your, so we're going to get a greater than operator block. If your clicks is higher than 9, which means you have 10 or more, which is the cost, then you want to change the number of that upgrade you have by 1, change clicks by -10 because you're spending 10, and then you also want to change clicks per second by 1 because this gives you 1 per second, that's what the upgrade is. Okay, so now we're gonna basically copy and paste this into the other two I think it is, that need the per second upgrades. And then we're gonna make a separate thing for the per click upgrades. So I have per second and this one. I have per second in this one. So now we're going to go into them and edit it. So since this is cost 1,000, if clicks are greater than 999, change the number of this upgrade by 1, change clicks by -1,000, change CPS by 200 since this is what it says. And then same for this last one. Cost 100, so clicks have to be greater than 99. Change the number of this upgrade by 1. Change clicks by -100, you're spending those clicks. And change clicks per second by 15, that's what that says. So now we have most of our game done. We just need to add the clicks per click. Oh, this is where I put it. So now, what we're gonna want to do is, let me just pull it up. So now, we're gonna want to do same when the sprite clicked. If, so we're still doing the same if check. If you can buy it. Yeah, if your clicks are greater than, if it costs 250, so if it's greater than 249, then what you want to do is change that number upgrade by 1, or that upgrade, change clicks by, -250, this is all the same. This is where it's different. We're changing a different variable. We're changing CPC by 5. Now what this is going to do is make it so that when you click the cake, or whatever it is for you, it's going to give you more. And then we're just going to duplicate this into him. And since this costs 1,000, we're doing 999 here. Change the number of the upgrade by 1. Spend 1,000. This one's plus 100 of 1,000. I think that this game should work now, so let's try it. Yep, when you click your cake, you get money. That works. Alright, I have a mouse right now and you don't. Alright, so now I'm gonna try buying this upgrade that costs 10. So you've spent 10 clicks, and now I'm getting 1 every second. I can just buy as many of those as I want, and then the number of them goes up. And now I'm just gonna make sure that all my upgrades work, because this is what you should be doing also. Does he work? Yeah, it gave me more CPS. Now I have 22 CPS. I have 52. Alright, so now I want some more clicks per click, so yep. Look, it works. Now I get 6 every time I click the key. Now, plus 200 per second, yep. No. Yep, plus 100 per click. It all works. Let me just show you. Okay, so now we're gonna try resetting it. Yep, it's all reset. If you didn't have enough clicks, it just wouldn't let you buy it. And that's how you make the clicker game. I'll be coming around with help if you need.